cast iron. This is aluminium. It's covered in dirt, tannins, because it's been underwater in floods and all of it. And as you can see, it's pretty filthy. Here's the lathe. There's no heat in that. This section here is plastic. There's a whole world of really deep tannin and rust stains from other things rusting in the water with them. See what she does, and they're rusty nuts there.
Cool.
Wow. Here's a bit of wood with paint on it. We'll get the paint off, shall we? So there you go. Happy days.